Do you want to achieve true financial freedom so you not only have all the time in the world for your passion projects, but also the money to make them happen on a much bigger scale? I'm talking about anything from producing your own album to opening your own live performance venue or music school. Wouldn't it be great to be the decision maker yourself, to never have to ask for someone else's permission again when it comes to your music? I think you deserve to make your art on your terms. That's why in today's video, we're going to have some real talk about how you can achieve financial freedom. In other words, enough money to make all your music dreams come true, okay? And I've also created a private Facebook community especially for performing artists called The Profitable Performer. In this group, you'll find incredible resources and a high vibe community all designed to help you monetize your passion. Want to join? Link in the description. Hi, I'm Fiona, your coach for all things singing, including mindset, marketing, and monetization. Are you a singer, musician, or performing artist interested in a profitable, consistent, sustainable career? Then take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. New videos every Wednesday. So let's get to it with my 5 proven tips for helping you to finally get off the starving artist hamster wheel. Sound good? The key to financial freedom is to diversify your income streams. As I talked about in this video about how to make it as a singer, even the biggest celebrities do not make the majority of their income from performing. Instead, they have all kinds of deals, from producing to sponsorship to clothing lines. Here's one of the worst stories you can tell yourself. It's that you're not successful or not a real performer if you're not making the majority of your income from straight up music making. What a load of you-know-what. The truth is that very few, if any, artists reach true financial freedom from performing alone. Why do you think people like George Clooney, Reese Witherspoon, Brad Pitt, and Sandra Bullock all have their own production companies? Because that's where the power lies. The power to make the movies they want to make, to live the lives and lifestyle they want to enjoy. But don't think your creative options stop with producing. Reese Witherspoon also has her own fashion line called Draper James. Gwyneth Paltrow has Goop, and Jessica Alba has The Honest Company. Diversifying your income will look different for different people. You might choose to do something obviously related to your passion, like teaching music, coaching for performance anxiety, starting a music blog, or editing and mixing sound for other people's projects. But you should also be looking to invest in real estate, the stock market, and other business ventures totally unrelated to music. And keep in mind, a recession is a great time to invest in stocks that have dropped in price but will rebound eventually with the economy. This leads directly into my next tip: develop a business mindset. Would you like a video all about business mindset? Let me know in the comments. But for now, my main point is to stop choosing to always prioritize the art over the money. I mean, how many times are you going to drive 90 minutes in traffic to go to a theater audition, which, if you get the call back, another 90 minutes in traffic, and if you book the job, 2 to 6 weeks of rehearsals may or may not pay you a few $100 stipend for the rehearsals and $150 a week for 3 weeks of performances. Now, these numbers could be better, but they could also be worse. But Fiona, if I don't audition, how will I ever perform my dream roles? My question is, are you singing those dream roles now? Just consider the ROI, return on investment, next time you're deciding whether skipping out on your day job in order to make an audition is the most empowered business decision. And definitely check out this video where I tell you exactly how you actually can make it as a singer. Now that you're starting to think like the business owner you actually are, tip 3 is to start educating yourself about business. Go ahead and start with these books: The E-Myth, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Dot-Com Secrets, and The 4-Hour Workweek. The concepts are simple but profound. You've spent years perfecting your craft. You owe it to yourself to invest now in understanding the business side of the entertainment business. And to that end, I definitely encourage you to hire a business coach. My whole world shifted when I finally took the leap and shifted my coaching resources from voice training to business coaching. Bottom line, I finally learned how to become profitable, and that's exactly what I want for you too. One of the main points of the 4-Hour Workweek and Rich Dad, Poor Dad is to help you to understand the futility of trading time for money if you ever want to achieve financial freedom. Yes, many wealthy people work a lot, but in a lot of cases, it's not because they have to, it's because they want to. Their work is their passion, but they no longer trade time for money, meaning they are no longer paid an hourly wage. And the key to this tip is to develop passive income. Fiona, what's passive income? Passive income is the money that comes in without your additional effort. Yes, there was setup time and some maintenance time, but mostly the work is done. But the money is still coming. Here are some examples. You buy, renovate, and rent units in an apartment building. You purchase a Chipotle franchise and then hire someone else to run it. Come on, Fiona, those are just a bit of a reach. Okay, how about the money you earn when your original song plays on a movie soundtrack? The residuals you get on the famous movie you had a bit part in when you were a kid? And the online course you're about to create on how to belt. Developing passive income is all about learning how to scale your business. I did a whole video about how to scale a music business, which you can watch here. But in brief, scaling for a music teacher often looks like raising your rates, teaching groups instead of individuals, and then teaching passively through online courses. And my last tip is to stop thinking of yourself as a solopreneur. You do not and should not do everything on your own. Again, we're back on the ROI of your time. Here's an example. A few months ago, we noticed a funny smell coming from one of the bedrooms of our house. We did a thorough check and realized that it wasn't coming from the room, but from under the house. After a little more investigating, we realized that there was a dead possum down there that my husband could see but not quite reach. At that point, we had to make a decision. Should I wriggle under the house to remove that decomposing mess, or should we hire someone? Listen, we're used to doing things ourselves around here, and so we seriously considered our options. But at the end of the day, it made so much more sense to hire an expert for $150 to remove that dead animal so I didn't have to. Now, what can you outsource so you can focus more of your time on your actual zones of genius? Here are some ideas. Audio and video editing, graphic design, bookkeeping, tax prep, SEO optimization, website building, brand design, house cleaning, childcare. The list is endless and doesn't have to be directly related to your business. I hope these tips help you on your journey to financial freedom. And don't forget to join my private Facebook community, especially for performing artists, link in the description. You truly deserve to make an impact on the world with your art. But not only this, you also deserve to live a happy, prosperous life. You with me? Now, help me prosper by liking and sharing this video, subscribing to my channel, hit the notification bell, and definitely let me know in the comments below what other topics you'd like me to cover to help you with your performing business. Want to learn more ways to make money singing right now? Then watch these videos next. And as always, go out into the world and let your light shine. You deserve to be heard, and the world deserves to hear you.